A very quick random unboxing. I received this today, Louis Vuitton, and oh my god, it's been a long time. When I say a long time, it's been a while since something from Louis Vuitton. Anyway, let's see what it is. Can you guess what this is? Nobody's going to guess this. It's not a bag, it's not a shoe, it's a random item. The most random item ever. Okay, shopping bag, cool. Oopsie. Receipt and notes. That's the box, how it came. And the most random item ever. Sometimes I like to get the most random things. Everyday luxury is what I like to call these items. This is an everyday luxury piece. And can you guess what it is? It is a notebook. It is a Louis Vuitton notebook. And let's open this up like so. I'll be using this as my little notebook in the office. Yes, that is what I bought this for. I said to myself, you know what? A little bougie office item wouldn't go amiss. So I take a lot of notes in my work. And why use a random notebook when you can use Louis Vuitton? I actually wanted to get a book from Smithson. Smithson, yeah, the actual book people. I will get one later on. But I saw this, it popped into my face. I said, you know what? This is good. On my desk, picking up notes, any notes that is in. Why not if not? Anyway, that's the notebook. That's the front page of it. And each page. Look, is there anything absolutely special about this notebook? I mean, I'm not a notebook expert. Probably I will compare it with Smithson notebook. At least Smithson is the notebook people, the notebook brand. So if I'm to do a comparison, I compare it with that. However, let me see. It has Louis Vuitton, the logo embossed on each page. The paper, this is slightly thick. That's the only thing I can, on my first impression, this is slightly thick than the notebook that I use anyway, the regular notebook that I use. That's the only difference. But it's not about it. It's not a notebook. It's a Louis Vuitton notebook. So I like it. Just put it in my handbag every single week going to work. I'll make good use of this notebook. I'm sure of it. I am 100% sure of it. And that's the back. So all I need now is a Mont Blanc pen. And we're set. Yes. Find me a Mont Blanc pen. And I'll be good to go. Okay, that's it for this random item that I actually like. Everyday luxury. Every time I pull it out, it just reminds me, yes, this is this is a life. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay sassy.